If you're struggling with making healthy recipes for both you and your entire family because you're short on time or ideas and want to find a way to streamline the process of meal prep or meal planning and overall healthy eating, then I might have the solution for you. I'm Dr. Rosi, and a mom of two who understands the challenges of prioritizing healthy eating within a very busy life while juggling the needs of all of those around you. What about the laundry? Whose birthday did I miss? Are the vaccines up to date? While I can't solve all of your problems, I can definitely solve this one problem. It's the one that makes sure that you and your family are healthy and well-fed. Welcome to my mindful eating recipe guide. It is over 35 pages of the easiest and healthiest recipes that take less than 30 minutes to make. Recipes that got me through medical training, motherhood, and beyond. These are staples in my home that I make on rotation that are mostly toddler approved and absolutely approved by me and my husband. There is no guilt, no shame, just pure abundance. Because mindful eating is about making conscious choices and enjoying the outcome. I'm talking breakfast, crowd-pleasing favorites, and toddler-approved dinners. These are all a gift from my kitchen to yours. I'm not about extensive ingredient lists or overcomplicated cooking instructions. I'm about simplicity and focusing on health and nutrient balancing. It's time that you get all of those recipes that you've been saving on my page and more finally into one organized space that you could reference every single day and create a plan for every week without stress, without worrying about what to eat next, what to make tomorrow night. No more scrolling or searching for long ingredient lists. You have your grocery list in this guide and so much more. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. Remember that you are your greatest investment.